I was reading in the Sports Leader recently where National Football Technical Director, Mr. Wendell Downswell, is saying that the Jamaica Football Federation will be pushing for local Premier League clubs to have proper scouting systems by the end of the year. Downswell said local club personnel, although they watch games and training sessions of opposing teams, these coaches are not officially and specifically skilled in opposition player analysis or prospective player examination. Quite fancy and eloquent rhetoric coming from the technical director. But I am not sure if people can train people to spot football talent. The eye for talent is something that people either have or them don't have. And as we've seen in Jamaica over the years, our emphasis is more on work ethics propensity and attitudinal attributes than an actual raw technical talent. Outside of us lacking the meticulous eye for technical talent, if and when we find a few, we tend to pressure these young players to work on their weaknesses at the expense of consolidating their strengths. And that is a recipe for the destruction of the limited talent that we do find. So really and truly, Mr. Downswell, I am not sure if talent identification in football is something that you can teach in a classroom. It's either you have it or you don't have it. Kind of like you see the Maverick or you don't see the Maverick.